Beautiful two-story townhome, completely remodeled, large living room with fireplace and beautiful wood laminate floors. The large master bedroom has new carpet and a view of the patio, updated master bath with new tile floors, separate dining room with wood laminate floors. The kitchen is beautiful with all new appliances and granite countertops, also has a wet bar. Upstairs is with recent carpet and tile in the bath. Home has amazing texture and paint all through. Move-in ready, this is a must-see.